Citigen. Version 2.0. New features and updates. Support for Unreal Engine 5. Introducing Game Design Mode. Improved external asset import features. Improve FBX export capability to connect with other apps. In order to use the latest Citigen add-on, please be sure to remove the previous version and install the latest one. Feature number 1. Support for Unreal Engine 5. Owners of all versions of Citigen can now export the generated city as an Unreal Engine game-level prototype, embedded with thousands of custom collisions. Feature number 2. Introducing Game Design Mode. If you are an Ultimate version user, you can now switch to and from Game Design Mode with a click of a button, in which Citigen can speed up the import-export time drastically, reducing hours to minutes, or hours instead of days. It can also enable you to build bigger cities for your games, like the one you are looking at now. Features number 3. Improved external asset import feature. In addition to buildings, you can now change the streets and street props with your own models. And if you have the Citigen-Ultimate, you can replace the default humans and cars as well. Features number 4. You can now export Citigen scenes to other apps of your choice through FBX format. Please note, animation export is not officially supported yet. Upcoming features. Cities do not have to be rectangular. Research and developments are underway. And please stay tuned to this channel, since tutorials for the new features will be added. So, this wraps up this tutorial. Thank you for watching. And thank you for choosing Citigen.